What is happening, YouTube? Thanks for joining me today. My name is Mike, coming to you from Health and Wealth. Today's video, I want to talk to you about should we sell our shares or should we not? I think you already know my answer, but let's get into it here. So first of all, I just want to say thanks so much for all of you who chose to subscribe to my channel. We're now well over 500, which is, a week ago, that would have been really far out of the eyesight. So it's pretty incredible. So I appreciate you for being here with me. So I took a look at my overall investment. I took a look at my overall dividends received. I've taken a look at the price of the shares, my overall average, and I wanted to look at the different gains and losses that I have so far with NVDY. So first thing I'm going to take a look at here is the NVDY stock itself on the chart. I purchased these shares. I was a first-time investor right around the $31, Wednesday, June the 5th, $31 mark. So you could say pretty close to the top there, right? So I bought a big chunk of NVDY, really close to the top there. Definitely not on the ex-dividend date. So I was a pretty heavy investor right at the top. Now, that's not a great strategy. You always want to buy low, sell high. So I have bought in high. Now, I've bought, should I say that differently? I bought several different times since then to lower my cost average here. So take a look at my my screenshot here, the screen of my Excel file. My current average price is $29, just over. I think it's $29.03 per share. But the current price of NVDY itself is $23.13 as of the close of Friday here. So that's an unrealized loss of $5.87. Now, you're going to hear a couple terms like realized and unrealized. Unrealized means that I haven't sold these shares yet, which means that I haven't lost anything yet. Okay, now if I decided to pull that trigger and sell these shares, then that would be an automatic loss of $5.87, which equals to 20% loss since in about 5 months there. So that's a big loss, right? Now, NVIDIA has had some ups and downs as well. Let me go to the 6-month chart here. You can notice in the 6 month, let me scroll down for you here. It's a pretty good chart for sure. But if you take a look at when I bought there right around the 5th of June, it went up and then it's since gone down since that moment. So what's happened since June the 5th? Well, they had a massive split in their shares, 10-for-1 split. Company has had some sell-offs internally here. The founder, Jansen, has sold off many shares, right? So this has gone down since then. Now, is that going to make NVIDIA a not viable company? Absolutely not. NVIDIA is one of the top, 2 or 3 companies in the world. Definitely going to be a great company in the future, and it's just going to continue to perform, in my opinion. Now, before you really trust my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here for your entertainment and mine, and currently I'm being thoroughly entertained talking to you. So the question is, should we sell? Well, let's take a look at some more details on the page here. Total investment so far is $8,300. You guys can do the math to figure out how many shares I have. If you go take a look at a prior video, which I will link right here, and I'll also put on my end screen, you can also take a look at that. My total dividends received, this is after tax, is $1,969. And if you take that and divide it by 8,300, that's a gain, and it's realized, a realized gain of 24%. Why is it realized? Well, I've spent that money already on purchasing other shares of either NVDY or MSTY, MSTY. So the question is, should I sell or should I keep it? What would you guys do? Comment down below, let me know. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm keeping this thing. This is a winning company, NVIDIA. I'm very strongly focused on Yieldmax and making income, money coming into the family here. So far in 5 months, it's made me almost $2,000 with a small investment, and I've since explore or move that capital over to other investments that are also making money. So stay tuned for that second video coming out. I'm going to probably put it out on either Tuesday or Wednesday. And that one's going to be on Misty. We're going to have the same conversation with that. Tell us in the comments what your realized return on capital is so far. And, let us know how you're doing. What are your feelings on this as well? Yeah, it's really, it's really good that, I've seen a few other videos out there of should I sell, on Reddit, you should sell. I don't think that NVIDIA is going anywhere. I think NVIDIA is here to stay, and I think that it's going to create that same volatility that we're used to create those great dividends that we are used to as well. I think last month was a bit of a rough month because of that that forward split, along with all of the internal trading. I think that created some sell-offs there, but who knows? Is it going to keep going? We don't know, but I think it's going to keep producing an incredible distribution for us. Let me know how you feel about this. Go ahead and hit subscribe. Join the other 514 people. Hit the thumbs up as well. I'm currently at a 10% like rate. Can we get that up to like 15%? If you're still here right now, can you take the time to hit that like button for me? I appreciate you. Anyways, guys, I'm off. I'm going to Florida. I just wanted to create this video really quickly for you, and wanted to say thanks so much for being here. Hopefully you have a great day. Bye.